In this video, we will discuss how to get started as a freelancer and all the steps you need to take to succeed. So let's dive in. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about freelancing. If you are someone who wants to escape the 9 to 5 grind or just looking for some extra bucks, freelancing might be the perfect solution for you. The first step to success in becoming a freelancer is to determine your niche. You need to identify what skills you have that you can offer as a service. It would be writing, graphic design, and social media management, web development, or any other skill set. Once you have determined your niche, you can start looking for clients who need those services. The next step is to build your portfolio. A portfolio is a collection of your best work that showcases your skills and expertise. It could be a website or a social media page that showcases your previous work. Your portfolio is a chance to impress potential clients and show them why they should hire you. Set your rates. When you are just starting as a freelancer, it can be challenging to determine how much to charge for your service. You need to consider the time and the effort you put in each project as well as any expenses you may incur. Do some research and see what other freelancers in your niche are charging. This will give you an idea of what's reasonable. Start networking. Because networking is essential to succeed as a freelancer. It helps you to connect with potential clients and build relationships with other freelancers in your niche. Attend events and join online groups where you can meet other freelancers and potential clients. And social media is also an excellent tool for networking. Start pitching once you have built your portfolio and networked with potential clients. It's time to start pitching your services and create a pitch that showcases your skills and expertise and send it to potential clients. Be sure to personalize each pitch and highlight how you can help that client with their needs. It's essential to stay organized to ensure you deliver quality work on time and get paid on time. Use tools like project management software and invoicing software to stay on top of everything. There you have it. These are the steps you need to take to get started as a freelancer. Remember, freelancing can be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. With dedication, hard work, you can build a successful freelance business and enjoy the freedom and flexibility it offers. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe my YouTube channel for more beneficial content about freelancing and skills. I'll see you in the next video.